Hey everyone, this is Seth, your detail doc, paint correction and ceramic coating specialist. Just finished up this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in this bikini blue pearl. Did a one-step paint correction. It had some light toweling marks, light scratches that we got out. Then we did our 4-year IGL KENZO ceramic coating on all the paint. We did a dedicated trim coating, dedicated window glass coating, and wheel coating as well. Just want to take you guys in for this little walk around. Wheels. Paint super shiny, super glossy. 10H hardness on the coating. Lasts up to 4 years, 4-year warranty. Glass coating and the trim coating as well. Look at the results. If you guys would be interested in any ceramic coatings, paint correction, meticulous detailing, make sure to give me a call, 989-890-5079, or visit my website, www.thedetaildoc.co, and I'd be happy to help you guys out, answer any questions, give you guys some more information. Look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and have a great day.